Alright, what's up everyone? Today we have an unboxing of the ShengShou Mr. M V2. So let's get into it. So this is the successor to the infamous ShengShou Mr. M with the funny name. So the original Mr. M, which I have, I just don't know where it is. It was very unique. First of all, it had that classic ShengShou stickerless texture on it, which was it wasn't really bumpy, but it was weird. And it was also a very blocky cube. And the magnets were very strong, but it was kind of clicky. So not super practical, but the feeling was actually really smooth. So I'm excited to see what they did with this cube. And I believe it only comes in stickered, which is an interesting choice, but I don't really mind since I like both stickered and stickerless. And it also comes with this extensive book, which there's 2x2, 4, I guess there's everything in here, so that's pretty cool. Never seen a book come with anything. But yeah, let's open her up. Oh, by the way, this is $13, so the packaging looks really nice already for $13. It looks almost like it's leather. I mean, it's not, obviously, but and then here's the cube. Wow, very light, pretty light. Maybe not that light, I don't know. Underneath, we've got a bag of extra stickers, some springs. That's pretty nice. It comes with a screwdriver, pamphlet, and a stand. This is pretty good. I'm impressed with what all they've included so far. But obviously the cube has to blow me away too. But still, so far A+ on presentation and unboxing. All right, let's feel magnet strength first. All right, pretty light, medium, I guess. It's very tight. All right, let's get into some first turns. Okay, it's not bad. First off, it feels absolutely nothing like the Mr. M V1. I'll do a comparison video of them later because it's actually interesting. They're super different. This feels a lot like the Guoguan Yueshao EDM. It's like kind of smooth, but also a little bit crunchy and airy. I don't mind the feeling. It's not too bad, and it's super dry. So I feel like once I add lube to this, it'll feel a lot better and a lot smoother. But performance, I am getting some lockups, but that's because it's super tight. Let's check corner cutting. Alright, I can do 45, and reverse is pretty good too. But it does take a great deal of force, which could be why it locks up too much. But also, again, it's super tight. So I feel like if I loosen the tensions and give it some lube, this cube could perform a lot better. But it's not terrible right now. Something else I really like is you can see the magnets. It looks a lot like a GAN puzzle magnets, and I think that gives it a nice sort of premium look to it. So that's a nice bonus. Then again, it's not stickerless, so that could be a downside to a lot of people. Let's take a look at the pieces. Interesting. All right. No perpendicular torpedo here, but it's not gonna pop, so it's fine. Got some weird little rectangles there and designs, and you can see the magnet there. It has absolutely no lube in it. It's super dry. The corner pieces have sort of pinkish red magnet color, which is awesome. I really like that design, but it's also pretty short and stubby corner, which is interesting. The core is pretty generic, but yeah, this looks, feels absolutely nothing like the version 1. So to me, this is just a different cube with the same name, which I do like the same name. I do like the Mr. M name, and it has a new logo for it as well. Okay, so the bottom line is, the puzzle's not bad, and it comes with a lot, and I think for $13, you know, there's the Maylong that just came out that I've heard is a really good cube, and I'll be making a video on that very soon. But there's other cheap puzzles that are cheaper than this, and I think will perform better. However, this cube does have a really nice unboxing experience. It does come with a lot of extra materials, and it's not bad. And I think it has a really nice look to it. So would I necessarily recommend it? Not really, if you're on a budget, because there are other cubes that are going to be cheaper, and you don't need all the cube stand and all this. But it's not a bad cube, and I certainly think that for the most part, it's an improvement over the version 1. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like for more videos. And I hope you guys have a great day.